In today's episode, we are at TeslaCon Florida in Orlando, where we meet subscribers in real life. We also had a chance to talk up on stage to about 100 people about Tesla car camping, and I displayed my Tesla for everyone to see, and I told everyone I ripped out the entire passenger seat and have been traveling full-time as a YouTuber for a year. And we also had a chance to see a converted Tesla Model X into the Delorean from Back to the Future. This is TeslaCon Florida. Welcome to the vlog. Good morning, guys. So we are at the Margaritaville Resort over here in Orlando, Florida, and I slept in the parking lot. And we are here for the convention. 8:30 a.m. is I gotta display this entire car, and it's only 30 seconds away. But let me show you guys at the resort. Here we go. Alright, so Margaritaville Resort is actually in Orlando, Florida over here. Look at these palm trees. And I think the hotel room is about $150 to almost like $200 a night. But we stayed in the parking lot for free. Let me show you guys the lobby. I've actually never stayed at a resort in my entire life. So we're staying at one for free. Here we go, let me show you all inside. Check this out. What is this? This is the lobby area, and my goodness, we got lounge chairs over here just for no reason. What an absolute beauty of a resort. And here's the private events we're here for, the Florida Tesla enthusiasts. Alright, so here's our pass. It literally says my name and TeslaCon Florida. So we're actually going to drive right into where we're supposed to display this entire Tesla van. Here we go. What I've done is drive through the sidewalk. Dog is on FSD. Okay, this is how you do it. Alright, this is pretty cool. The entire Tesla. It's like right here in the front. Probably change to some regular shoes. Be a decent human being.
Eli, let's go.
Here we go. For me, so you had like food, water, shelter. Those are like the main things you need when you're just trying to live. Like, so food would be the fridge. Definitely, there's a sub-trunk fridge that you leave plugged into the car. So you have the new update with the keep accessory power on. So when you leave the car, it stays plugged in the entire time, day and night. So I can't live without my fridge. So that's number one. Number two would probably be the faucet that I have. It's a Dometic water pump, and it's electric. You can get it from REI, that's where I got it. And you pretty much have a water tank. It's like 3 gallons. And when you press the button, it just spits out water like a regular water fountain. And then and shelter would be the bed. So I've got an Amazon bed. The bed from Amazon. It's a memory foam. So it has like a little gel on top. Alright guys, I want to thank today's sponsor, Baseus, and they were kind enough to send me a portable power bank for the phone and it's magnetic, so you don't have to mess with any messy cables. And when I'm always on the go, I'm a full-time YouTuber, digital nomad, so this really helps out because it also has a kickstand too as well. But it's important because I hate having messy cables in the car. Just everything in the car gets so disorganized, especially when living inside it. Not only that, Baseus also sent me a retractable cable that's USB-C on both ends. This keeps all my stuff organized too as well, because I don't have to mess with more cables in the car. And it retracts into this small, tiny, compact circle. It's the size of the palm of my hand. And then we also have a 67 wall outlet charger that Baseus sent me. And this is also the size of my hand too as well. So it has a 2-prong outlet and you're able to retract it back. So that way you can fit it inside your pocket. Whenever you're on the go, you can also charge 2 USB ports and a USB-A port, so that way you can charge all your stuff while you're at a gym or a cafe or a library. So that way you can keep all your stuff charged. So if you guys want to get the chargers from Baseus, head to the first link in the description below so you guys can keep your devices powered up and charged up while you're on the go, so you don't run out of battery power, because ain't nobody got time for that. Thanks Baseus for sponsoring this video, and now back to the prepaid programming. DJI,
I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm not as good as you.
Yeah.
Nico, are you on X? I can't find you on X.
Alright, so we're at the TeslaCon Florida over here, and we got a lot of people taking a look at the car. So sick. What's up, y'all? We're over here at TeslaCon Florida.
Over a year later.
Yeah, we're over here. Say what's up, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
Hey. This convention. Yo, we're over here at TeslaCon Florida in Orlando, and we showed our Tesla van for the people over here in Florida. And yeah, really cool, special setup, and it's really fun to kind of showcase it, have everyone look at it. So don't be jealous, man. Go to your own TeslaCon. Playing leapfrog out here, crossing the street, doing dangerous stuff. Oh yeah, there you go. All right, we're glad to go eat over at this restaurant nearby. The Guy Fieri action, this guy eating. So now we're at the wharf over here in Florida. So we're gonna get a seat, go eat some good food. Here we go. Woo! Yeah. Good. All right, y'all, we're over here in the Sunset Walk, and they got some exotic cars over here. Got McLarens, they got all types of different stuff. Pretty cool.
You know, they'll talk shit. Oh, what's it?
Got that flux capacitor in the middle. Okay. The interior.
Something that you don't see every day is a Delorean Model X. Check out, look at the back.
I told him, I was like,
What is this?
You gonna demonstrate the plane?
Hey, do people be able to use it? They pull up and you start hitting the sounds like that? They're like,
oh yeah,
what is going on?
They like to give you a
funny,
little bit of a look. This is road rage mode. Go yourself. Is that fair? I hope it is.
Titusville to watch a rocket launch near the John F. Kennedy Space Center over here in Florida. It's on the eastern side of Florida, and we're gonna show you guys what we're gonna see. Yeah, it's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun. We got the whole Tesla people over here. Let's go check it out. All right, so we are right under the bridge, and we got the TeslaCon Florida right here.
That vulture. There's a vulture.
Oh yeah, this is cool. I've never been here before.
The launch is going to be, you see the vehicle assembly building over there?
Way down there.
Big, massive.
Yeah. I see. Okay.
Yeah. It's hard to tell, but that's one of the biggest buildings in the entire world. But it has the largest American flag on the painted flag on the side of the wall.
We're watching a rocket launch
And landing.
and landing.
Yeah, Falcon 9. It's going to take off just to the right of the VAB.
Falcon 9.
Okay.
Yep, and then it's going to land right over there.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay,
Yeah.
can't wait to see that.
And it usually comes back within
Yeah,
15 minutes at most.
that's cool. So you're gonna see it go
half
up.
the time.
That's
42
great.
minutes.
Yep.
Oh, 611. Sick. Here it is. We're over here, TeslaCon, Florida. Yes, sir.
And we got Doge Dog. Doge Dog in the house. Hey, Kirby. Yes, sir, Kirby.
Hey.
Kirby's been famous this weekend. Did the celebration.
Yeah.
Ribbon cutting.
I really want a dog, but
That was cool.
yeah, the Doge Dog. All right, so over here at Pier 220 in Titusville, and they are launching the rocket to put the Starlinks into the air, and it's gonna come back down. So we're gonna see that happen, and yeah, it's gonna usually take a couple minutes, pretty fast.
Expired on that, and for now they still have LZ2, but that lease is set to expire soon as well. There we go. So some beautiful RTLS coverage today.
We're all right. We're seeing the rocket go up, and you guys can't see it, but all right. So right now the rocket is all the way up to the top. We got everyone that's putting out their phones and stuff. You can hear the literal rumble of the rocket go up. It's crazy. So sick. Oh yeah, you can see the white thing.
So this is this one and this is that one.
Okay.
You got the thing on the phone. That's crazy. It's going down. It's all the way in space already.
So the entry burn will be very soon. I don't know.
Wow, here it is, right there.
Yeah.
Oh, we got it. It's coming down. It's coming down. We're going to hear the boom. Here it is. We got everybody with their phones.
All right, so the rocket has successfully landed on thing. Look at this. Little replay, okay? That's wild.
The wind could have dissipated.
Sheesh, look at that. What is this, an alien popping up? Sheesh. That's sick. Now that is a landing.
You do it at certain temperature.